lang talaga yung na-record niya, yung parang introduction pa na hi, hello, yung mga ganun. Wala pa talagang feedback. So, ganito na lang yung gagawin ko. So, last time, kasi nag-error yung recording, right? So, ngayon na lang is mag-message na lang kayo sa group chat kung ano yung why you included that logo, bakit ganito ganyan yung color, bakit ganito yung company nyo, ano ba tong relevance ito, all the details of your brand, ilagay nyo na lang sa group chat, okay? And then, I will give a separate video na lang giving feedbacks for your assignments, okay? So, para yung ano natin talaga is sa time natin weekly is may time talaga kayo para makagawa ng outputs nyo. Kasi ano yung mga past lessons natin, parang nauubos talaga 2 hours sa discussion and everything. Okay, so maganda din naman sana yun, may feedback, may discussion if nakaka-on mic kayo. Pero since ngayon, lahat tayo hindi, ako lang yung nakaka-on mic, so magdi-discussion na lang ako. Would that be okay? Okay lang ba ang lahat for that? Okay, if okay lang sa inyo, you can type or ano na lang. Okay, okay. Kay Ma'am Jo, kay Ma'am Bibs, and Ma'am Chloe. Okay. We'll proceed to our lesson for today. So our lesson is about publication and advertising design. So, telling stories through graphics. So, when we say publication, ibig sabihin print media. Tayo, automatically print media. So, publication and advertising. Okay, so it will include any and all means of every kind of conveying to the public sale or notice of intention to conduct a sale. Ay, hindi pala siya nagsushow. Wait lang. Sorry. Okay. So, ito yung day 4 natin, publication and advertising design. We're going to tell stories through graphics. Okay, so whether by word of mouth, by newspaper or advertising, by magazine, advertisement, handbill, written notice, and printed display, pwede na din niyang advertisement. Okay? But when we say publication, it means print media talaga. Kasi, pwede ka naman makapublish ng social media posts, ha? Sa videos nga natin, merong platform yung nakalagay pag mag-upload tayo is publish. Okay? Pero ibig sabihin natin dito na publication, yung mga publication houses na nag-generate ng mga magazine, ng newspapers, and etc. Okay, so here are our examples of print media magazines. I had, ay. Hindi na Okay, ito naman yung mga local natin. Yung FHM, yung Yes Magazine. Okay, and then yung Manila Bulletin, local newspaper din yan. Okay, so here we have the magazine, sample of a magazine cover layout. Okay, so as you all know, so parang actually, maliit lang yung slides ng lesson na to. Parang mas marami sanang ano nito, parang discussion. Pero dahil kaunti lang kayo, parang out of 30 students, parang 4 lang yung naka-in today. So, sayang, hindi natin wala tayong discussion, pero ano na lang, write your answer sa messages na lang natin, okay? Okay, so my question is, Vogue is the leading magazine publication house in the world today. So, why do you think Vogue is the leading company, the leading magazine cover, especially sa mga magazine layouts, sa mga magazine cover talaga, pumapatak talaga, uh, tumitinig talaga. Parang may sounds talaga, may ano talaga kapag Vogue na yung pinag-uusapan. Okay? So can you tell me your insights about why you think Vogue is the leading in their field, in the publication and in the magazine world? So mag-participate tayo guys kahit by ano na lang, by messaging na lang. Hintayin ko yung mga message nyo and then I will read them na lang. Okay? Okay, I will be waiting until 8:30 p.m. So mag ano lang kayo, mag-write lang kayo ng mga ng matataas yung mga insights. Okay, Ma'am Jo has her answer here. So meron silang good track record and yung kanilang covers are provocative and bold. Okay? Malinis yung layout. Okay, I like that one. Malinis yung layout and they features in people. Okay, what else? Okay, Ma'am Chloe. Because it not only covers fashion but also touches on broader cultural issues like art, lifestyle, and social topics. Okay, tama din. Okay, what else? How about from Sir Bibbs and Ma'am Louise Slade? Okay. Okay, according to Sir Bibbs, interesting daw yung main image nila. Eye-catching, kumbaga. Okay, so tama din, no? What about Ma'am Louise Lane? Okay, so parang ano siguro, okay, meron pa namang 2 minutes si Ma'am Louise Lane. Baka mataas pa yung message na sasabihin ni Ma'am. Okay, another one here from Sir Bibbs. Maayos ang placement ng text and font sizes. Okay, very good. So from a graphics perspective, okay? So tama to, maglagay tayo ng perspective from a graphics point of view, from a graphic designer's point of view, and from an audience point of view. Okay, so 1 minute na lang, Ma'am Louise Lane. Okay, so pwede pa po kayong mag-type. Okay, what about the others? Pwede pa kayong magbigay ng other nyo. Okay. So, unahin natin yung yung kay Ma'am Jo. Okay? Tama yun, they have a good track record. When they started up to now, and then yung covers nila nung talaga. Okay? Bakit known ang kanilang covers? Okay, first of all, parang marketing and strategy, business strategy-wise, yung ginawa nila is every part of the world, every country, meron silang station. Okay? Vogue Philippines, Vogue Cambodia, Vogue India, Vogue Africa, Vogue New York, even sa Philippines na Vogue, meron tayong Vogue Mindanao. Okay? So, yung ano nila, yung audience nila is malawak. Kaya even yung mga countries na hindi super known yung mga modeling, yung mga ganun, alam nila that the leading is the Vogue fashion magazine, the Vogue fashion house. Okay? And then they not only cover fashion, but they touches on cultural issues. So kaya nga, di ba, every part of the world meron silang station. So every part of the world, yung Vogue Philippines, yung ita-target nila, ano ba tayo dito sa Philippines? Ba dito tayo? More on cultural. More on, ano tayo, yung mga tribal people, yung mga ganun. So, ganun din yung pinapalabas nila. Okay? So, kung ano yung culture natin, iba kasi yung culture sa ibang bansa. So, that's why, magandang strategy yon na each part of the world, meron silang station na yung target audience is kung ano yung meron tayo dito. Ano ba yung need natin? Okay? And then, sa art, sa lifestyle, and yung image nila eye-catching. Bakit eye-catching? Kasi, simple lang. Ano magtingin? Okay. Maganda para kay Ma'am Luisa yun. Okay lang po. Okay? So, yung placement ng text, font sizes, and simply lang. Okay? So, yung image nila is eye-catching, pero simple lang. As you can see here, wala na masyadong aklabus. Vogue. Yung masthead, yung publishing house, Vogue. And then, tatlong supporting cover lines. Meron tayong main image. Wala nang masyadong, there's not a lot of things going on with this image. Pero, focus tayo sa model. Okay? And then, lead article. Pwede ba, as you can see, sobrang lead tingnan. It's eye-catching. And yung wala masyadong mga shadows, wala masyadong mga blending styles, yung mga ganun, wala masyadong effects. Okay? Direct lang talaga kung what's pleasing to the eye. Okay? Okay, do you agree ba na yun yung mga reasons na leading yung Vogue? You can also use our reactions po para mas madali ko matingnan. Okay? So, do you also think na yun yung mga reasons na nakakapag sa Vogue? Okay, syempre yun, no? So, yung sa graphic designers perspective, so they focus on what they wanted the audience to know. Okay? So, yung focus natin dito is yung golden days ni Margot Robbie. So, yung ginawa, si Margot Robbie na naka-gold robe. Okay? And then, focus lang talaga sa kanya. Wala masyadong etchos-etchos. Okay? We also have another magazine style here. Another anatomy of the magazine. So, maganda din naman siya, pero iba talaga yung kaninang example, di ba? Kasi dito parang, sabi nga ng isang student ko dati, coach, parang same sa publishing house nila. The magazine cover is noisy. Okay? So, parang ganon. Pwede din naman if yan yung gusto nyo sa magazine nyo. Kasi pag starting lang din, need din talaga natin ng maraming parts. So, kailangan malaman ng viewers nyo kailan tong issue and deadline niya. Ano ba what's inside this magazine? Kasi hindi ka pa Vogue eh. Hindi ka pa Vogue na naka-Vogue talaga, na alam mo na talaga na about fashion, about life, about art, yung pag-open mo ng magazine na yan. Pag hindi ka pa masyadong kilala, pwede mong lagyan ng magazine din. Okay, doon makikita ng tao na, about fashion and travel magazine pala itong release na to, itong issue na to. We also have, of course, the main image. So, wala naman tayong diba? Wala tayong magazine cover na yung background is color lang. Meron talaga yung main image. And yung main image natin, yan yung i-describe ng lead article line. Okay? And yung supporting cover lines, yan na yung mga other titles, other relevant titles na nasa sa loob ng inyong magazine. For example, we have here the Andam, Duluptas, dito, parang ano lang ata ito. Parang ibang words or parang lorem ipsum lang itong mga nakalagay dito. Okay, but anyway, parang same dito sa Vogue kanina. Yung supporting cover lines is key looks from the new collection. So, wala na yung connection sa main image natin. Pero yung mga supporting cover lines, yun yung other things that are inside the magazine. Okay? Pasensya na if, guys if medyo noisy yung background ko. Nasa kasi ako at this moment. Nasa barangay hall, nakikisignal. Okay? And then we also have the website link, the price, and the barcode. Okay? So, usually, pag mga black and white, and yung mga ganyang minimal, yan yung sa mga fashion houses, yung sa mga very intricate and very, mga parang professional na fashion, na talaga. So, meron din naman dito sa atin medyo playful lang. Okay? So, I will give you an example of magazine cover dito. So, ano ba yung sikat na girl group natin ngayon sa Pilipinas? If updated pa kayo, ano yung sikat sa atin ngayon? Okay, yung Bini. Salamin eklabos. Char. Yung salamin na hindi ko yun memo. Okay, anyway, ito yung mga sample nila. Okay, I will be sending it in our group chat. Okay? I will be showing it to you here. Okay. So, as we can see here, yung publishing house dito is Parsino. The future is female issue. So, as you can see, di ba malinis yung tingnan? Parang they're making it look like high-end. Parang same sa Vogue. Yung publishing house lang. Yung About sa Bini, the future is female issue. All Hail Bini, issue number, and kailan ni-release. Okay? So, very simple lang, yet, ang makikita natin is, the Bini is a very girly group. They're really sweet. As you can see, kahit naka-fierce sila, kasi based sa kanilang mga colors, diba, we also tackled that sa first lesson natin. So, their colors is giving sweet vibes, teenage vibes, very, parang very girly vibes. Okay? So, next naman is this one, sa Metro. Okay? So, dito sa Metro natin, okay, the faces of P-pop. So, diba sila yung face ng P-pop natin ngayon? Okay, so, same kanina, wala na masyadong eklabush. Okay, yung main title lang, and then parang supporting details. Yung mga releases na ito, parang focus lang talaga sa kanila. Okay? Now, let's take a look in a magazine cover na merong barcode. Okay. So, yung nila dito, it's very, ang ganda-ganda nila dito, honestly. Pero, kahit sobrang sikat sila, actually, I'm very busy right now. Wala akong, parang narinig ko lang, merong Maloy. Si Gwen lang yung kilala ko. Kasi I'm also into modeling. So, parang, other than that, hindi ko sila masyadong kilala talaga lahat. Parang si Gwen lang, tapos yung si Bini Maloy na maraming gumagaya. Okay? And then, as you can see here, sa Parsino pa din ito, so, meron na siyang barcode. Okay? So, this is for their 30 years. 30 years or 3 years? Ewan ko sinong graphic designer nila dito. Parang, very, very off yung pagkalagay dito at hindi pa siya balance sa barcode sa other sa right. Okay? So, as you can see here, focus lang siya sa pero again, i-compare natin siya kanina, the two of this here, the first one, the second one, and dito sa third one, mas maganda talaga yung kaunti lang yung mga elements natin, di ba? So, kasi patulad dito, okay? So, yung magja-judge na tayo dito, okay? So, sa ano ko lang ba? Sa perspective ko lang ba? Or kita nyo din na parang off siya tingnan, na merong parang something 3 na may outline na parang 0, na parang hindi siya 0, na years sa baba, and then hindi pa siya pantay sa sa barcode. Okay, pansin nyo ba? Okay, hello guys! Wala, parang hindi nila, palalagpasin nila kasi kasi may bias sila sa meaning. Charot. Okay. So, di ba kapansin-pansin, kahit na malaking na yan siya, parang known na yan na dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? So, kahit na known ka na, pwede ka pa din magkamali. It's totally fine. And again, as I said, your design is just a design. It's not a part of yourself. It's not an extension of yourself. So, that is totally fine. Okay? So, I will give you in your activity, I will give you the freedom kung ano yung gusto nyong gawing subject ng inyong ng inyong magazine cover. Okay? Kasi for this activity, I want you to research and broaden your horizon. Baga, I want you to explore lang talaga, okay? So you can explore locally and internationally, okay? So, ang gusto kong gawin nyo is you get a specific, kahit na mag-start kayo from scratch, okay? So, you get at least 2 or 3 magazine references. Parang reference lang siya or inspiration, okay? Na parang, dito coach, I found this na maganda siyang tingnan. I found this in harmony. And yung reference ko, yung output ko, parang dito na part, binase ko same din sa kanila. So, that's what you also do, okay? So, going back here, so, yun yung activity lang talaga natin. Gagawa tayo ng magazine cover, okay? So, parang yan na din yung assignment natin. Okay? So, yung I will also send some examples, yung sa mga exemplary students ko talaga. Pero dati, kasi, yung every magazine cover namin na topic is, meron akong team na binibigay sa kanila. But, what I realized is pag nilalagyan ko siya ng team, okay lang sa other designs nyo, yung sa mga other assignments na binigay ko, iba-iba kayo ng logo, iba-iba kayo, and then siin kayo na technology yung advertisement. Pero when it comes to magazine, so, meron kasi tayong, okay, hi sirs, Carl, Kevin. Okay, so, pabigay na ako ng output sa kanila, sir. No, late na naman tayo at ko. It's okay, na hindi na broken yung record ko at this moment. So, pwede ko yung ma-send sa group chat natin. Okay, but anyway, going back to your magazine assignment, your magazine activity assignment actually. So, I'll be expecting Ma'am Chloe, Ma'am Jo, Sir Bibbs, and Ma'am Luis Lane na makapag-submit at least tomorrow. Okay? So, kasi maghahanap pa din kayo ng mga reference and using the parts of the magazine cover na pinakita ko kanina. But don't worry, I will be sending the recording and the screenshot of those magazine parts later. Okay? Okay, so going back, so kayo kasi yung nakakaalam ano ba yung gusto nyo i-magazine? Gusto nyo bang i-magazine yung natin, ang West Tennessee, China, USA, umalis kayo, mga fraka kayo. So, nasa sa inyo na yun, or gusto nyo ba ng salamin-salamin, beanie fruka, yung nyo, yung sa subject ng cover nyo. So, sa inyo na yon. Okay? But, parang, with the starting point, with what we discussed now, meron na ba kayong parang idea lang sa kung anong topic ang gusto nyong gawa ng magazine layout? Okay, let's start with Sir Bibbs. Ay, message lang pala ang everyone. Okay, so type na lang kayo dito. Sir Carl Kevin pala, yung ano namin yan, yung topic is magazine, so publication houses. Yung gagawa natin ng next activity is gagawa tayo ng magazine cover. And yung mga examples na sinend ko sa GC, yun yung mga local na magazine covers natin. Ma'am Chloe, Ma'am Jo, Ma'am Louise Lane, ano ba yung mga idea nyo? Parang, ano lang, parang initial na topics na gusto nyo gawa ng magazine. Isang cover lang po. Pero kung gusto nyo gawing 10, hindi din po ako magre-reklamo. Baka ganun ko gusto yung, ano, gusto yung gumawa ng 10. Gora bells lang. Wow, galing naman kay Ma'am Jo. Possibly sports or real estate. I'm looking forward for that. Okay, ka Ma'am Chloe, favorite models niya. Okay, what about Sir Bibbs? And ka Ma'am Louise Lane? Viva Max model, tsaka na. Hoy, bawal ang SPG dito, ha? Okay, okay lang ang Viva Max model. Choice nyo yan. Pero let's keep it ano pa din. Let's keep it rated G, rated PG, Sir Bibs, okay? Nudity is still art naman. Pero parang starting pa lang tayo, ano lang muna, parang keep within the ano lang muna, okay? Okay, what? Sure, sure, totally fine. You can showcase social issues. Sabi ko nga, di ba? Gusto yung West Philippine Sea, pwede din about sa mahihirap na ganito na ba tayo na yung parang i-title nyo is gutom. And then yung mga supporting headlines is the fucked up government of the Philippines. Charot, listen. Charot lang. Pero yes, you can definitely do that. As I said, this is the reason why instead na bibigyan kayo ng team, I want you to choose your own topic. Kasi in that way, you can unleash your creativity and mas may freedom talaga kayo kung anong gusto niyo gawin. Okay? So, do you have any more questions? Sir Carl Kevin, meron pa po bang questions? Hi, Sir Carl. So, yung reason po, nagme-message lang sila is, hindi sila nakaka-open ng microphone. Kaya kaya super, super madali lang yung super naging fast itong ano natin ngayon, discussion. Kasi walang mga microphone ang everyone. Okay, what about the others? Ma'am Louise Lane, Sir Bibbs, Ma'am Jo, and Ma'am Chloe, do you have other questions? Okay, regarding sa ano pala sa mga details, I will be sending it right away after our class. What about Sir Bibbs? Okay, Nana din. Ma'am Jo. Ma'am Jo and Ma'am Louise. Do you have some questions? All good na din. Ma'am Louise Lane. Yes po, I will be sending the size. Okay? If wala nang questions, then that's it. So I really am looking forward for your magazine covers. I will be sending more information and more examples in our group chat, okay? So also, I will be sending the feedbacks of your outputs in a separate video na lang, okay? So make sure, yung hindi pa, sino lang bang nakapasa dito? Okay, yung nakapasa si Sir Bibbs, si Ma'am Jo, and si Ma'am Chloe, and si Sir Carl Kevin. So, Parang si Ma'am Louise Lane hindi pa nakapasa. So, para pwede sa stand. Yes, pwede din naman. Yes po, sure. Okay? So, just send your outputs in there para I will instruct sa GC na din na I will be receiving logo submissions until, ano na lang siguro, until Friday. Okay? Para yung, marami pa kong ma-feedback din na iba. Okay. So, Ma'am Louise, meron po akong, recording from another batch na sinend sa group chat po. Na recording, you can look at that po. Okay? So, if wala na, kindly click the any reaction button here. So, I know that everything's good now. Okay, so if everything's good now, so that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for listening. Hopefully, next week, marami tayong mga classmates na andito kasi first class na natin sa Photoshop, guys. Oh my God, laban na to. Sa Canva, tsaka chill lang. Very easy kumanda ang everyone sa Photoshop. Okay? So, make sure you install the application na ha. Kasi, naku guys, wag yung, wag kayong mag-expect na pag the night na magka-class tayo, dun pa kayo mag-install. Nako, tubihan, hindi yan pwede mag-zero. Okay? Hindi yan pwede mag-gears. Kasi, mataas yung process and dapat offline kayo while installing Photoshop. Okay? Okay. And also, yung Photoshop talaga natin sa first class, 2 hours straight discussion lang talaga yan. Okay? So, good luck. Ang masasabi ko na lang talaga is good luck. Make sure you have the software needed. Char, ready na daw si Sir Bibbs. Okay? Aabangan ko yan, Sir Bibbs, ha? Okay. Last student na nagsabi kung ready na kami, ma'am. Hala, hanggang nag-lesson 4 ako, hindi na siya naka-attend. Subi. Okay. Anyway, I really hope that you can submit yung ibang mga missing assignments and our current assignment right now. That would be all for tonight. See you next week, guys, and I'll just send the other details in our group chat. Okay? That would be all, and good night. Thank you.